Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand about decoder. Decoder is the circuit which consists of multiple input and multiple output. So decoder consists of multiple input as well as multiple output. So if it consists of n inputs, then output will be 2 to the power of n. For example, if we take 3 inputs, then output will be 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to 8. So if we take 3 inputs, then we can control 8 outputs. So this is the block diagram of 3 to 8 decoder, which means it consists of 3 input and 8 output. So we can decode 8 output, or we can control 8 output with the help of 3 inputs. Now since there are 3 inputs A, B, C, we can control 8 outputs, which is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. When the input is 0, 0, 0, which means A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0, the output D0 will be 1, the remaining output will be 0. When input is 0, 0, 1, output D1 will be 1, the remaining output will be 0. When input is 0, 1, 0, output D2 will be 1, remaining output will be 0. When input is 0, 1, 1, output D3 will be 1, remaining output will be 0. When input is 1, 0, 0, output D4 will be 1, remaining output will be 0. When input is 1, 0, 1, output D5 will be 1, remaining output will be 0. When input is 1, 1, 0, output D6 will be 1, remaining output will be 0. When input is 1, 1, 1, output D7 will be 1, remaining output will be 0. So this is how the decoder will operate. This is the logic circuit of decoder. So this decoder is designed using AND gate as well as NOT gate by taking 3 inputs A, B, C and 8 outputs D0 to D7. So this logic circuit will operate depending upon this truth table. So here we require A as well as A bar, B as well as B bar and C as well as C bar. So that's why we have taken A and A bar using NOT gate, and we have taken B as well as we have taken B bar using NOT gate. C and C bar is taken using NOT gate. So this connection is made depending upon the value of A, B, C here. Now let us say if you want D0 as output, so A, B, C should be complement. It should be 0, 0 and 0, which means we should have A bar, B bar and C bar to get output as 1. So we have taken the pins from A bar, so that is connected to this AND gate, as well as from B bar, which is connected to this AND gate, and C bar, it is connected to the first AND gate. So when we make A bar, B bar and C bar, which is if we make A as 0, B as 0 and C as 0, we will get output as D0 and remaining output will be 0. So if we make input as A bar, B bar and C bar, so we will get output as D0. In the same way, if we say we should get D4 as output, so at that case we should make A as 1, B as 0 and C as 0. So which means we should take A, B bar and C bar. So for output D4, we will take the input as, from A we will take the input and that will be connected to AND gate. From B bar we will take and we will connect that to this AND gate as well as, and from C bar we will take the connection and we will make it to this AND gate. So if we make input as A, B bar, C bar, at that case we will get output as D4. In the same way we can analyze for other outputs. This is about decoder and its working. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.